Watch out, world. Watch out. I see someone else I've seen for a few years as well. Landon Schumacher is from Lima, and he attends the Shawnee Elementary School. He's in the 2nd grade, and he's going to be both an astronaut and a doctor. Have I said the wrong name?
Judges, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Landon Schumacher. I am 8 years old, I am in 2nd grade, and I live in Lima, Ohio. The title of my oration is Take a Stand. Dr. King once said, never, never be afraid to do what's right, especially with the well-being of a person or animals at stake. Society's punishments are small compared to the wounds we inflict on our soul when we look the other way. This principle of doing what is right in every circumstance of all people that was fundamental and served as a springboard for all the amazing work Dr. King has done. Sadly, it's time to continue taking a stand against the societal wrongs which is cut short. So it's up to all of us to open our eyes, hearts, and minds to the daily injustice taking place. Dr. King did not let fear of persecution, prosecution, or even personal safety stop him from standing up for what is right for all. Today is the day to take a stand for the student who suffers from the endless pain dispensed from the bullies. Today is the day to take a stand for all those families who are hungry, cold, unable to seek medical help they need. Today is your day to slow down and notice the injustice surrounding you. Today is the day when you never let fear or your past keep you doing the right thing first. Today is the perfect day to take my hand so we can become a force to fight evil and make a promise of a better world for all people. Today is the day to take a stand, to come together to continue the work of Dr. King. Thank you.
Landon is going to be an astronaut and a scientist. Our next contestant is Jalen Tinker. She's from Cleveland. She also attends the Central Primary School. She's in the 2nd grade. And if I had my wits about me, she's going to be a kung fu teacher.
All right.
Judges, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jalen Tinker. I am 7 years old. I am in the 2nd grade and I go to Central School. My topic is Dr. King's life made a difference to me. When I think of Dr. King, do you know what comes to my mind? Peace and patience. Because in the most boycotts, Dr. King used peace and patience to make a difference. When I think of Dr. King, do you know what comes to my mind? Love and forgiveness. Because after Women's Day autumn, Dr. King used love and forgiveness to make a difference. When I think of Dr. King, do you know who comes to my mind? Me, Jalen. Because when I am nice, even when others are not, guess what? I am making a difference too. Thank you.